I'm back at the screen house because I was out here on a boat this summer, and I looked at the side of this, and this looks like really shoddy workmanship. You see, I didn't cover these screens, so I'm going to frame in all of that screening. I don't know why I didn't do that. I have a habit of getting things almost finished and then stopping. So we shall see how it looks. As you're sweeping this, you sometimes find strange creatures. You know what that is? That is the remains of a dragonfly who crawled out of the water and then broke through that shell and is presumably flying around like a dragon, slaughtering other insects. Little Japanese saw. Very, very nice. Okay, first cut done. Yeah, that's gonna look good. I think that's gonna look very good. A life of unending glamour and elegance. Yeah, almost. This is actually fun, you know why? Because it's not really, you don't have to do my favorite kind of carpentry. We gotta make it look good, but it doesn't have to be exact. Except from inside. It looks pretty good. I still have to do up there, but the mosquitoes are getting bad and it's starting to rain. But I just have to do a little bit of touch up of the paint. That's gonna look good.